I was sent this blender in exchange for this video, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. We're gonna test it out as well. It looks like this is the main part of the blender, like the controls and the motor right here. Looks like it has a nice long cord. And here's the blender function right here with the blades at the bottom, so you can see pretty easy to attach that. So you push those buttons, it slides right on. That's how you're going to use this part of the blender. But we have more pieces in here. We have the cup, and it has the measurements on it all the way up to 11 ounces it looks like. And we have this whisk attachment. We have the frother attachment. We have this piece right here. That's going to be something you can add on to use some of the other parts. And then we have this chopper part right here. These are so cool for chopping onions and things like that. So this is that part. This is the blender. Push that button, that comes off. If we want to use the other attachments, we can push this part on, snaps on nice like that. And then we can use the whisk portion, push this in for the frother, take that back off, put this part in here to use the chopper portion. So all in one type of device. Definitely a very space-saving and practical device to have in your kitchen. But let's go ahead and get to the kitchen and try it out now. It's time to try out our new blender. I have a few fruits and things cut up here. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in my cup here. So something soft like bananas, and I have about 20 cherries. Now to use this attachment, as I said, really easy. You push these two buttons, just click this on, really easy. Let's start blending. You push the button up here to get started. Alright, you can have either the regular blend or the turbo blend, and in under a minute I now have this really beautiful cherry banana smoothie. So here is how it looks up close. Beautifully, beautifully blended. I think this is going to be really useful for smoothies, for chopping, just so many different ways to use this in the kitchen.